Getting the Mate 20 Pro, but not sure which color to get? I will help you decide right now. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Zilla, and today I will be showing you each color of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro to help you decide which one to choose. We have 4 colors available: emerald green, midnight blue, twilight and black. Although the black at the time of this video will not be available in Europe. Let's start off with the emerald green. This is my favorite color personally, as it is a darker, rich variant of green. This one is finished in the hyper optical pattern on the back, which is made up of textured diagonal lines that feel smooth to the touch but in fact offer more grip and less fingerprints. Next we have the midnight blue in the same hyper optical finish. This blue is a nice understated shade which looks very classy and clean. Definitely one worth considering, as it has a unique appearance to anything else on the market. Time for the traditional black, which looks like liquid. It almost looks like chrome at certain angles. The finish is extremely glossy and reflective and seems to be pouring off the sides of the Mate 20 Pro. Absolutely stunning in my opinion. And of course this video wouldn't be complete without the color we have all become familiar with, the twilight. This is again glossy and reflective, and the color gradient shifts from a blue to a dark purple, perhaps Huawei's most famous color. All the different color variants of the Mate 20 Pros come with a red power button, which is a nice finishing touch. So there you have it, the choice is now yours. Which color version do you like the best? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and share it on all your social media. I will have loads more videos coming out about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.